My child, you fierce and fabulous queen of allure. Welcome to a session that's about to turn your dating game upside down. No more settling for less. It's time to revolutionize your approach and claim your rightful place in the dating arena. Prepare to transform from confused to captivating as we unleash the strategies that'll make him chase you like never before. Hit that like button, subscribe for more electrifying insights, and let's embark on this journey of empowerment, allure, and undeniable magnetism. Here are 5 unstoppable moves to reign over his heart. Point 1. Unleash your inner bombshell. Listen up, gorgeous game changers. It's time to ditch the loser label and unveil your inner bombshell. Elevate your self-image by hitting the gym, perfecting your style, and strutting like you own the runway. Confidence is your ultimate accessory. Rock it and become a magnetic force that leaves them breathless. Point 2. The art of sizzling connection. Say farewell to mundane conversations and welcome sparks that fly like fireworks. Dive into his passions, listen with intensity that sizzles, and create dialogues that ignite like a steaming romance novel. Ladies, it's not just chatting, it's making him feel like he's the only star in your cosmic galaxy. Point 3. Embrace the temptress within. It's time to shed the inhibitions and unleash your irresistible allure. Flaunt your quirks, share your dreams, and master the art of playful teasing. A flirtatious glance, a coy smile make him crave more of your intoxicating presence. When you are unapologetically magnetic, you become absolutely unforgettable. Point 4. Craft your seductive narrative. Leave the loser storyline behind and embrace a life that's as captivating as a best-selling novel. Chase your passions, embark on daring escapades, and have stories that keep him on the edge of his seat. A woman with a fascinating tale to tell is a woman who captures hearts effortlessly. And yeah, pro tip, be feminine about your stories. If you really like someone and want to share your stories with him, be feminine about it. If you have done some crazy things in your past, take it slow. If you want to tell him, take it slow, because he might not have done those things in his life. And when you will tell him, in most cases, speaking from an experience, it will automatically trigger the masculinity within him. And he will try to compete. Subconsciously, he will try to do that. So in most cases, it's true. So if you want to tell your stories and you have done some adventurous things and big things, which is good, you should do, take it slow with the guy you like. Point 5. Unleash your daring charisma. Ladies, here's where the magic happens. Bold moves that light up the night. Plan jaw-dropping dates that have him counting down the hours. Surprise him with your irresistible charm and ooze the confidence that makes him weak in the knees. Remember, daring isn't about perfection, it's about embracing your fire and setting his heart ablaze. In the grand symphony of dating, transforming from loser to fabulous enchantress isn't just a makeover, it's a revelation of the queen within. Own your allure, dive into electrifying connections, radiate authentic confidence, lead a life that screams adventure, and be bold enough to sweep him off his feet. Your journey from overlooked to irresistible starts now. Wake up.